Alright, so looking at this paper, what we're going to be doing is combining hot water with room temperature water, hot water with ice cold water, and room temperature water with ice water, and seeing what happens to the temperature after we mix it. So you can see we've got two ice waters. There's ice floating in there. And right now, it's at about 5 degrees Celsius. That one, it's a little bit warmer, about 8 degrees Celsius. The room temperature, it's at about 21 degrees Celsius. And the other one is a little bit warmer at about 22 degrees Celsius. All right, and the hot water's on the hot plate. This is at 44 degrees Celsius. And this one is at about the same, focus, there we go, 44 degrees Celsius also. Okay, so let's start mixing. But first, let's predict. So, what do we think is going to be happening when we're mixing them? Make a prediction, and then we're going to actually do it. Okay, so we have the hot beaker. Being mixed into room temperature water. And now we're going to have hot into ice. So get the other hot one. Ooh. And we're going to mix it to ice. Now we'll give those a weight and we'll set them off. So this is our first one, second one, and then we're going to mix room temperature with ice. We'll let that sit for a couple minutes and see what happens. Alright, so this was the hot water and the room temperature. After mixing, looks like now it's at about 33.5, but it's still dropping. This was the hot water and the ice water. It's at about 27. And the room temperature and the ice is at 10.